So in this video, I will guide you how you can sell TapSwap coins. So selling TapSwap coin on the Telegram is not possible. So what you need to do is to simply head over to the task section and you should have the option of connect your Solana wallet. The option will gonna look something like this, which is start mission. So you just need to click on it and this is going to show you connect Solana wallet. Then you're gonna need to proceed further, and after that you can simply log in with your Phantom wallet. And once you have connected your Phantom wallet, you're just gonna need to log into your wallet, and then you can simply send the amount of coins into your Solana wallet, which is Phantom, and then you can simply sell it for some other coin, or in other words swap it for some other coins. You're just gonna need to search for any other third-party decentralizers like Radium, Jupiter, and then simply go for it. Then you're gonna need to simply connect your wallet with your Jupiter or Radium, and then you can simply swap for the coin that you want into your wallet. So that's the way of how you can sell TapSwap coin.